Hello guys and welcome back to Best Car Picks. Mitsubishi has previewed a next-generation SUV with 7 seats, but those hoping for a successor to the Pajero off-roader will need to wait a bit longer. The Mitsubishi DST Concept was unveiled at the Philippine International Motor Show, and previews a 3-row SUV to launch in ASEAN, Southeast Asian, markets such as Thailand, Malaysia, Vietnam and Indonesia between April 2025 and March 2026. As these nations have less stringent safety standards than Australia, we may not see the production version of the DST Concept in local showrooms, however Mitsubishi has left the door open for it here. We are excited to see further Mitsubishi Concept vehicles being showcased, especially after the D.X earlier this year, a Mitsubishi Australia spokesperson told Car Expert. With the DST Concept sitting in the highly competitive medium SUV space where Outlander is enjoying great success, it's logical that MMAL would seriously consider the vehicle in future, should it be confirmed for global production. Of course, it would need to work from an Australian consumer perspective, in areas such as specification, performance, safety, emissions and overall value. While some ASEAN market Mitsubishis are sold here, such as the Pajero Sport and Triton, the production DST will slot into the region's lineup along with the ASX-sized X-Force and the Xpander People Mover. Neither of these are sold here. It's expected Australia's next 7-seat SUV from Mitsubishi will be the new generation Pajero Sport, based on the new generation Triton. Mitsubishi calls the DST Concept a mid-sized SUV, which may suggest it'll be similarly sized to the Outlander. However, it also gives that classification to the Pajero Sport, which is firmly in the large SUV category in Australia. Unlike the Pajero Sport, the DST Concept features unibody construction, rather than a body-on-frame setup which is typically better suited to off-road driving. The design of the DST Concept is closely aligned with other recent ASEAN market Mitsubishis such as the aforementioned X-Force, with a half-clamshell bonnet, T-shaped LED headlights and tail lights with horizontal slat graphics and black body trim. Inside, a 2-spoke steering wheel with physical buttons sits ahead of a twin-screen setup, with one display for the digital instruments and another for the infotainment system. A unique gear selector sits on the center console behind a rotary dial which can be used to toggle between drive modes, such as normal, gravel, mud, tarmac and wet. Above the occupants is a panoramic sunroof, allowing light into the 3-row cabin. Mitsubishi hasn't detailed any powertrain specifications for the DST Concept, other than one line which says, even as a front-wheel drive, it can navigate through any weather or road conditions to reach the destination safely, ensuring comfort and peace of mind for family and companions. Last year, Mitsubishi teased 16 models, including 9 electric or electrified models, that it plans to launch globally over the next 5 years. This included an electric ute, hybrid and electric 2-row SUVs, and combustion-powered MPV, 3-row SUV expected to be the DST and PPV models. More details about the Mitsubishi DST Concept and its production-ready successor are expected to be announced closer to its launch in 2025 or 2026. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe for more such interesting content. Thank you for watching my video.